टॉपिक वी सी आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए, म्यूट कर लीजिए, म्यूट कर लीजिए. Okay, so in this topic we see the area of a triangle, basic concept of area related to triangle. So the what is mean by the area? Area is nothing but the measurements of extent surface is called the area, and it is measured in square meter. Okay, square meter or square centimeter, whatever be the unit given in the example. Suppose here in the example, if the unit is given meter, then we use the square meter. Okay, if the unit is given centimeter, then we use centimeter square. Okay, if unit is not given, then we simply use unit square. Okay, so here first we see the triangle. Okay, in the first type, altitude and base is given. Okay, so when the altitude means height of a triangle and the base is given. Okay, then by using this formula we can find the area of a triangle. That formula is half into base into height. Okay, see in this figure, ABC is a triangle. Okay, H is a height, B is a base. Okay, so by using this formula, half into base into height, we can find the area of a triangle. Okay, we can use this formula in that case only when the altitude and base is given. This is the first type of area of a triangle. Then for the second type, the triangle having the sides of measures A, B, C. Okay, in this example, suppose all the three sides, measurements of all the three sides are given for A, B, C. Means for example, we take the measurements for AB is A, okay, for AC, C, and for BC, we take B. Then firstly, we find the perimeter. How we find the perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides of the triangle. So perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. After finding a perimeter, we find the semi-perimeter by using formula A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, semi-perimeter is nothing but the half of the perimeter. Okay, once you get the semi-perimeter, okay, by using this formula, area is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, by using this formula, we can find the area of a triangle, and this formula is also known as the Heron's formula. Means in the example, okay, the example is such a for such a type, means you have to find the example. Sorry, you have to find the area of a triangle by using the Heron's formula. In that case, you have to find area of a triangle by using this formula. Okay, for this, firstly you have to find the perimeter, then find semi-perimeter. Okay, once you get both the values, you get the area of a triangle, and this formula is known as a Heron's formula. Okay, so this is for the triangle when all sides are given. Okay, so this is the another type. Then the third type is right angle triangle. Means suppose the given triangle is right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? One angle is 90 degree. Such a type of a triangle is known as the right angle triangle. So in this case also, we use the same formula as the first one. Okay, now here in the